good you can't see me, so there's no point in recording.
What you mean?
There's no
I can
point
see
in
the
recording.
screen by me. Go ahead. Talk your shit.
I don't have anything to say.
What are you about to do right now?
We're going for a drive. Mexico.
And what is it right now?
It's nighttime.
Okay, so
What is
put
it?
it together.
We're going for a nighttime drive.
Okay.
That's it. We can't drive fast because someone's gonna be doing rollers.
Who?
I don't know that man. I can't see us on the video right now.
Talking about him over there?
Yeah, look at your shit all rigged up, kind of crazy.
I mean, you can do like flybys and stuff.
Yeah, okay.
Hey.
I'm not doing anything.
Hey.
I'm not doing. The guy with his stuff strapped on, he needs to be careful because if it falls off, I'm sure that shit was expensive. Oh, let's not take this one.
Whoa.
What?
What'd you just do just now?
Nothing. I put it in sport. My pumps are that loud. You hear my baby pump? Oh my god, that's loud.
What do you just press the gas?
I did. You hear?
You don't hit the button?
I hear little baby burbles. I want them loud like his. What do I need for that?
Tune.
Tune is like $17,000. Fuck, that shit is a lot.
Bro, you gotta chill. 17K?
It's it's just as much as that damn Agile body kit.
So how much is that, like 30K?
It's 30K for Agile itself. I can't afford it. I can't afford this. I'm so stressed out.
You gonna let you like that? Go ahead and take over.
Disrespect me how?
Go ahead and take over.
No, I'm not doing that. No, I'm not. Do you see what you...
Nah, you wildin'. Ain't nobody trying to crack no lips, no nothing.
Nothing.
This should be wild. You gotta feel the passenger seat sometimes. We be doing this bullshit.
What do you mean? That's the problem.
Yo, oh my
What's
gosh.
wrong? What? Huh?
I'm loving that car.
No, yeah, no,
Bro, this
it's
shit is wild.
amazing.
This is wild.
You need to get one. You need to just get one.
I'm hoping I catch you at a light though.
That one's nice too.
It's not a G80.
fastest car in the shot. I don't hear any objections. The legal 15.
Completely illegal. All right. You need a lot of space. That's why you have that.
I'm so tall, like and I moved it up forward for him to fit in the back.
Jesus.
But we good. Make it work.
All right, don't judge my driving, guys. Okay, just try not to kill everybody.
See, I can't judge for obvious reasons.
Why? Why?
I mean, you know.
All right, let's see.
Oh, lunch and everything? Oh my god. Yo, this how hard this was for? Ain't no
My phone fell on my fucking head.
Okay, are you guys ready? I'm gonna do it one more time.
God damn.
Bro, this is what I was racing?
It took forever.
This thing
My
is
phone down. Fuck that. Oh no, you can't launch right here. Good,
okay,
good.
I'm gonna go after though. I'm gonna go. You just pull over or wait for them to
My phone better is.
go. Okay, all right.
Wait, hold on, I gotta.
Okay. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
No, I don't think I could ever be ready for that. Holy yeah. My back is in my stomach when that thing launches. Look.
Oh my god. This is not
that thing is
tuned yet.
nasty.
That's the shit be crazy, bro. This shit not tuned yet.
So does it pull hard? Like, okay, so the mods don't add anything right now.
Basically
really?
nothing. It's
No,
like
not
20,
really.
30
Yeah, 20
horsepower, if
yeah.
anything.
So 100% stock, this is how hard the M3CS pulls.
Yeah.
Oh my. Man, I don't know about that rematch though.
Yeah, you don't know.
Yeah, good
I was
luck.
thinking the race ship. I
luck.
was thinking the race ship might do something, but yo, the weight is pulling like,
Chris.
damn,
That was wild.
Pull up behind you.
How y'all feel about that test drive?
bro. I've driven a lot of fast cars, been in a lot of fast cars. The pull on this is like, your back is like, doing this.
How you feel about that pool just now?
Oh no, that's just crazy. Nah, no words for that, bro.
How you feel about it, driver? Oh, it's normal to you. Oh,
Normal,
damn. This shit is crazy. And it stopped.
That's what I'm saying.